in Bosnia, and I was heading towards a BMW dealership just to have a little check of my rear brake, see what could be done, see if they maybe had some new brake pads or something I could try to replace or fix. So yeah, Bosnia is a country which I had zero insurance for. My travel insurance didn't cover me, and neither did my breakdown recovery, more importantly, so it'd be really unfortunate if I was to, say, break down. So I went up the mountain and just over the mountain down, started heading down towards Mostar, which it's very hot there. It was 30 degrees on the other side of the mountain. When I got to the other side it was over 40. There's a massive degree difference, and I think it's because this entire city is in like a mountain range where it can be described as like a bowl, and the city is at the bottom of this bowl, so all the weather just stays and it just circulates. Instead of fresh breeze coming in, there's zero breeze, nothing. It was dead still, it was horrible. Well, I headed to the BMW shop. Unfortunately on the way my brake overheated again, so I stopped by the side of the road. I had some lunch. When I finally got to the shop, they said, well, because this bike isn't manufactured anymore and this bike was never shipped to this country or sold here, we don't have the parts, so your best bet is to go to Croatia.
So what's happened? Well, the bike has just seized up again. It's now 4-3, something like this. I'm doing maybe 15 miles, 20 miles, 3 miles, and then it just locks up. And a little bit of warning, you feel the resistance. Just got to pull yourself over and hope there's some shade. I've been stopping at garages and petrol stations, places that say they're mechanics, see if I can borrow something to help fix it. BMW said your best bet's not here, go to Croatia. So I'm heading towards Croatia. I made all these miles going like this before, so I'm going to carry on now. Sometimes it's okay and you can just go, and then sometimes just suddenly stops. And nothing I can do really. Nothing I can do. I'm going to try and get where I'm going. I'm not going to be able to make it in time before the BMW shop closes in Croatia, unfortunately. So I'm going to head over across the border and find a campsite. Probably take apart the bike and then have a look, see what needs to be done. Okay, so it got completely stuck then. Just taking the thing off. I'm going to try and manually push that piston back with a bit more force. This wheel can spin now. Yeah, it's not going at all, is it? Oh, it's spinning now. Okay, so we can get that piston in a bit further. Without taking the wheel off, I think that's the best I'm going to get it. At least it spins now. 10 miles to the border. So, in Croatia, my bodge job has worked so far. Another 45 minutes to a campsite, and then I will take the bike apart and maybe set the campsite 1 or 2 days, we'll see. They said the coastline is incredible, and I've literally just got onto it, and yes, it does look not bad. Croatia. Right, it's coastal road, get to the bottom. Look at this, it's just incredible. Probably very touristy. So long, Bosnia! Ready? 1, 2, 3. We found peanut butter. How I've missed peanut butter.
So after that I decided to bleed the brakes, take out the wheel, clean it all up, put it all back together and see if that works. I met an Italian couple that evening who were travelling on a Honda CBR 600RR. Amazing that they managed to get all of that stuff on such a small bike, especially for 2 people. I didn't spend a long time in Croatia, only a couple of days. I will want to go back at some point, but perhaps off tourist season. Everywhere was so busy. You were driving along the coast road, you'd get stuck behind a Winnebago, a caravan and a convoy. And also it was very expensive.
9 o'clock. Already getting warm.
I don't even know what that is. So I thought to myself, cruiser there. So yeah, but now I am in Croatia. I've spent the past couple of days here. Croatia is the most expensive place on this trip. It is so expensive to camp, it is so expensive to go anywhere, and there's so many campsites and everywhere, and they're all 18 to 20 euros for me and this bike and a tent. That's it. And I'm shocked. And they charge for Wi-Fi, they charge for everything, showers and stuff. No, they didn't charge for that. The quality of the campsites are good, but they're very crowded, way too crowded, and I'm not really going there to be a tourist-y sort of thing. So that's left to my next plan. Is I'm heading to Slovenia. I'm about 2 hours away at this juncture.
into Slovenia, and then I'm going to find a campsite in Slovenia and bed down for the night. And then I don't know what I'm going to do after that. I think I'm going to pop to Austria just to say hi to the. There is a campsite in Austria. It's just a nip into Austria just to say hi to the English couple who run that hotel. I just thought I'd say hi, remember me, and then carry on going. But my plan is now to head to Slovenia, into Austria, and then across Austria maybe, or into Slovenia again, and then across Slovenia to Hungary, across Hungary, and then to Slovakia, where I will need to service this bike and new tyres and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll probably be there about a week. So that's it. It's another update. Thanks for watching. Anyway, that's really it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next update. Damn it.